my name is Portia Kimball, the Cake Diva, and today I'm going to show you how to make a crown out of fondant. What I've done is I've rolled a small amount of fondant out, and it is mixed with Tylose. I've also created just a crown template just out of regular paper. You can get one online, and you can even go to Burger King and get one of those crowns and trace around it with paper. Now I am just putting this template on top of my fondant. I'm going to use just a regular kitchen knife and just follow the template all the way around. When you're finished cutting around the template, just remove it. And now we have our crown. If you need to make any adjustments to get any of those frayed edges you don't want, or to make some of the points a little bit pointier, just use your fingers or just use your knife. This way you get exactly the sharp points that you want sticking out in the front. Now, in order to make this get that crown shape, I'm going to use just a plain can of soup. I'm going to spray it with Crisco. This way the crown does not stick. I'm going to take my crown, pull it slowly and gently, and I'm going to wrap it around my can of soup. The Crisco also helps keep that shape and stays right in place. You will want to leave this crown on this can or whatever that you use to create the shape for at least a day or two. You definitely want it to get hard. Once it's finished, you can just pull it off and you can do any type of embellishments that you want. You can add bling, you can put fondant dots on it, you can even put an initial to customize it. Again, my name is Portia Kimball, the Cake Diva, and today I showed you how to make a fondant crown.